Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm
awesome.
fine.
Okay, Raul, how are you today?
I'm fine
Why?
because yesterday
Yes?
my brother is
Yes?
he's play the PS4 and
PS4, PlayStation 4.
and he is how to say
How
it
to
in
say it?
English
What?
que llevé encima y esto doble.
Really?
Yes.
My God. Okay,
And cry.
Mateo, how are you today?
I'm also
Why?
because I'm playing with my brother. I
What
I
do
do
you play with your
homework.
brother?
Eh?
What do you play
Um,
with your brother?
Football,
Football. Okay,
basketball.
perfect. What's your favorite football team?
Real Madrid.
Well done. And Aurora, how are you today?
Uh, I'm I also
You're awesome. Why?
but the Friday I want to do it a pizza
Really?
and
Are you going to cook a pizza?
yes, and my mother is doing rosquilla.
Nice. It's because on Friday it is San Isidro, no?
Yes.
Perfect. Are you going to dance chotis?
I don't know.
Okay, but maybe you can look for a video on the internet and there you can find how to dance chotis. Okay, Iria, how are you today?
Fine.
Why?
Yes, because
Okay, and George, how are you today?
Happy
You're happy. Why?
because I'm in my house.
Perfect. And what do you do in your house?
The berries,
What?
the berries,
What in English?
homework.
homework.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so there we go. Today we are going to start the unit number 6. It is matter and machines. Here we can see a family, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
where are they? Are they in the living room?
Hmm?
No.
Are they in the living room? No.
no,
Are they in a bedroom?
No.
no,
No.
So where are they, Aurora?
In the kitchen.
Perfect. So they are in the kitchen. And what is she doing, Mateo?
The father is
No, no, the girl,
cooking.
the girl. Okay, Mateo, don't worry. The father is cooking.
Cooking.
Okay, it's cooking. Perfect. And Raul, what is the girl doing?
Drinking water.
She is drinking water. And who knows Syria, George, or Aurora? What is the boy doing?
it's
Putting the
putting
table.
the
Laying the table, not putting, okay? So he's
put the
laying
table.
the table. Perfect. Okay, and here we can see too many machines, yes or no? Electric machines that help people.
Yes.
Here, in the activity number 1, what we have to do, it is we have to write the numbers, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to do the activity number 1. So the computer is number,
One.
One.
perfect. The
One.
jug is number
Seven.
Seven.
7,
Seven.
and this is the jug. And the jug, what is inside the jug?
Water.
Water,
Water.
perfect.
Water.
Scales, who can tell me the number of the scales? It is
Me.
number
Three.
number 3. Here we can find. to measure mass, to weigh, sorry. Fridge, what is the fridge? It is number
Number 8.
8 here. The food that it is inside the fridge, what do you think? It is hot or cold?
Cold.
Oh, perfect. And the electric whisk, it is number
Two.
2.
2,
Two.
perfect. Over here, you can make cakes using the electric whisk. The oven is number
Six.
6.
6. Aurora, are you going to use the oven on Friday?
Yes.
Yes, you are going to cook a pizza, so maybe you will need the oven. The toaster, it is number
Four.
4.
4.
Four.
What do we put inside the toaster?
Bread.
Two.
Yes, bread.
Bread.
And
Bread.
rolling pin.
Bread.
Okay, rolling pin is number
5.
5.
perfect. The rolling pin is over here. It is made of metal or not?
No. No.
No.
It is made of wood. So, Mateo, quickly repeat. Can you repeat the numbers, please? The computer is number.
1.
Yes. 1. The electric wheel. 2.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm trying to write, but I don't know why it's not working. Okay, no, I think.
The computer
So the
number
computer is number.
1.
Yes, the jack is number.
7.
The jack 7.
Okay, all together, you can tell me the scales number
3.
3.
3. Fritz number.
8.
8. 8.
The electric whisk.
2.
2.
2. The oven number
6.
6.
6. The toaster number
4.
4.
4. And the rolling pin number
5.
5. Okay, so that's it. Is an S? No, it's not a 5. But I'm writing with the mouse. Okay, now activity number 2. Raul, can you read the instructions? Circle.
Circle the words from activity 1. Use
Perfect.
electricity. Red. Don't use electricity. Red.
Yes,
Green.
so we have to use the red and the green crayon or the green color pencil. We have to cycle in red the objects, the machines that uses electricity, and in green, sorry, the ones that do not use electricity. We have to cycle here the words. Okay, let's start. I'm going to start. For example, number 1, the computer. Do you know what a computer is?
Yes.
This is a computer. Okay, the computer. Does a computer have metal parts? Yes. No, sorry. It is number 3. Sorry. Uses electricity. Does a computer use electricity? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So, red.
Red.
Does a jack, this is a jack, does a jack use electricity?
No.
No.
No. So, green.
Wait.
And the scales?
No.
Scale, scale, yes or no?
No.
No. No. So, green or red?
Green.
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 Perfect. Fridge. Does the fridge use electricity? Number 8.
Yes.
Yes.
Horse. And oops, the electric whisk. Does the electric whisk use electricity?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Aurora.
Yes.
So, red or green?
Red.
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 The oven. Does the oven use electricity? Number 6.
Yes. Yes.
Horse. And the toaster?
Yes.
Yes.
Number 4, yes. And the rolling pin, does the rolling pin use electricity?
No.
No.
No, 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 no.
Human force, not electricity. Okay, and number 3. We have to listen and say true or false. We are not going to listen. I'm going to make you a question, okay? I'm going to ask to you.
Okay.
So, the first one, has the computer, does the computer have metal parts?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
In some of them has got outside, but all of them inside. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is the electric whisk. The electric whisk. Does the electric whisk have electric parts? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Of course. And number 3, the scales. Sorry. The scales. Electric parts? Yes or no? What do you think?
No.
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 Some of them, but no. Okay. Number
Yes, yes, yes.
4,
No, 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 no.
no. Number 4 is, what is number 4?
Toaster.
The
Toaster.
toaster, sorry. Okay, George, for you, the toaster. Elect does the toaster have electric parts?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Raul, for you, the rolling pin, electric parts or not?
No.
No. The oven, Mateo, electric part? Yes or no?
Yes.
Of course. The jack, Aurora,
No.
electric part? Aniria, the fridge?
Yes.
Of course, lots of them. Perfect. So we have finished number 1 and 2. Let's go to next page, page 83. Well done. Do you help your parents?
Yes.
For example, when they are cooking or when they are laying the table, when they are washing
Yes.
clothes
Yes.
or something,
But
or you try it, so you have to. Okay, activity number 4. We have to listen. Maybe you have listened it before. What we have to do, we are going to read over here. Okay? So, Iria, can you start reading? I wait.
I weigh the ingredients.
Ingredients. The next one, Aurora.
I mix the ingredients.
Ingredients. And Jorge, I cook
I cook the mixture.
the mixture. Okay, so this is a process of making a cake. Can you see the cake?
Yes.
Yes.
The
Yes.
first thing you have to do is I weigh the ingredients. You put all the ingredients, the flour or the sugar, on the scales. Then you mix using the electric whisk. And the last one, you put the cake or the mixture inside the oven. So it is in order, yes or no? So
Yes.
you have to write here 1, 2, or 3. It is perfect. It is
Yes.
the process of making a cake. Have you ever cooked a cake, Aurora?
Yes.
And
Yes.
you, Raúl,
Yes.
Mateo,
Yes.
Iria,
Yes.
and George?
Yes.
What's your favorite flour? It is chocolate, it is vanilla, it is carrot
Mm,
cake.
My
What's your
cho-
favorite.
favorite one? Chocolate or
chocolate.
carrot? What?
Chocolate.
The cookie.
Okay,
Chocolate.
one by one. Raúl,
Vanilla.
Raúl, your favorite one.
Vanilla.
Okay, Mateo,
Vanilla.
Aurora,
Uh, uh, a cake
chocolate.
made with a cookie.
Ah, cookie cake. Perfect. I love it. And Iria, the one that you like?
Chocolate.
Diría
Uh,
Chocolate.
Iria, sorry, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Right, perfect. George?
Chocolate, but the other no me gustan.
Okay.
No like
So, George, what do you prefer, an ice cream or a cake?
a cake.
Perfect. So we continue, okay? Activity number 5. You want to listen the song? What you can do is go to second grade. You go to second grade, click on natural, matter and force, video class. No, sorry, video class, no. The book, and at the end you can find all the audios,
A mí
all
no
the
me sale.
listenings. Yes.
I have
Ah, no. I have.
If you go to natural, then click on matter and force on the book, and at the bottom of the page, here you can find all the audios, all of them. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
but
we continue. What, Aurora, tell me.
my I see, but it may put
You cannot
the
listen.
lines. I don't
You have
have.
to click on download file. It doesn't mind. I will tell you. I will send you the link and you can do it, okay?
Okay.
So we continue with the class. Activity number 4. George, can you read the instructions? Tick
yes. Tick the
answers. Answers.
answers to the questions.
Perfect. Number 1, George.
What ingredients are in a cake?
What ingredients are in a cake? Okay, for
Egg,
all of you, not only for yours, okay? So we are going to do one by one. Wait a minute. There we go. So, do we need eggs to? Can we find eggs in a cake? Yes or no?
Yes.
yes,
In most of them. Okay. And meat?
No.
For example, a
no,
hamburger?
No.
No.
no,
Oh.
Flour? This is
yes,
flour.
Yes.
I think not sugar or flour.
Yes.
I don't know. Of course, in most of them. And sugar?
yes,
Yes.
In most of them. And glass?
No.
no,
No.
I don't
It's
think so. Maybe you will use what?
it's crystal. No.
Yes. So we are not going to use because you cannot eat the glass. Maybe you will use something, a bowl made of glass, but not
Yes.
glass for eating. So, but they say in a cake. Question number 2 is for Iria. What machines?
What must it do you
Yes.
use to make a cake?
Okay, so what machines do we use to make a cake? Do you use a fridge, Iria?
Yes.
Mm, a fridge. Maybe you need the fridge at the end, but we don't use to make a cake. So, what do you think? We are going to check or not?
No.
Sometimes we need a fridge, yes or no, to cold.
Yes.
So I don't know. Maybe we can do like this. It is thick and across both. Okay.
Finger.
The
Okay.
oven. Are we going to need a? Do we need an oven to make a cake?
Yes.
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 Sometimes, but most times, yes. Toaster. Are we going to use a toaster?
no,
No.
No. And a whisk?
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Times, if you haven't got a whisk, you can use maybe a fork. And a scale?
yes,
Yes.
Scales? Are we going to use scales?
yes,
Yes.
Yes, we need to weigh the ingredients.
Yes. Yes.
If yes, we need to weigh. If not, we will have a problem. Okay, question number 3, Raul, please. What makes
What makes the oven hot?
okay, the oven is over here, is number 6. What makes the oven hot? The
The
sun heats the oven, yes or no?
No.
No. Electricity?
no,
yes.
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Of course. The electricity, yes. And the human force, it is a
No.
person
No.
using the oven to heat the oven. No. Perfect. Well done. What do you think? What is it or difficult? The first
Easy.
two pages, very easy. Okay, so we continue to page 84, okay?
Okay.
I
It will
don't
be a little,
do.
it doesn't mind, but we are going to do all together, okay?
Okay.
Mm,
Okay, so now we are going to talk about mass and volume.
Okay.
It is a little bit difficult for you because you are very young. So, the first one, question number one, or the first activity. Aurora, can you read the instructions, please?
Yes. Match the book and the
1 kilo.
Okay,
1 kilo.
match the books and the weights.
1 kilo.
So, Carlos,
eh,
can you listen to us?
yes.
Ah, perfect. So, Carlos, can you see the three books? On,
Yes.
okay, which color is this?
Green.
Green. And this one?
Red.
And this one?
Blue.
Okay, so they are, one of them is bigger and another one is smaller, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Which one is
Yes.
bigger, George? Bigger,
The book green.
the green book. And which one is smaller, Raúl?
The notebook red.
Then, yes, the red notebook. So here we have to match the books and the weight using, we have to draw a line, okay? We have 20 grams, 50 grams, and 1 kilogram. Okay, what do you think is the biggest one? The biggest weight? 20 grams, 50 grams, or 1 kilogram?
1 kilogram.
1 kilogram.
So 1 kilogram, we have too much. We have to draw the line from 1 kilogram to which one?
The nat. The
Green,
nat.
red, or
The
blue?
natural. Green.
Green.
Green, nature, okay? Nature. So, like this, perfect. Okay, we continue. We have 50 grams.
Okay.
We have to match 50 grams to the red notebook or blue notebook.
Blue notebook.
Blue
We have to
notebook.
match to the blue notebook. At the last one, 20 grams. The smallest one,
The, the red
the red
notebook.
notebook. Perfect. Well done. Okay. So now we are going to read the information. Who's going to start reading? Maybe Mateo. Come on, matter,
Matter has most and
mass,
but
mass and volume.
it can be
Weight,
behind and measured.
measure. Okay.
This
Includes
includes living organisms and other objects
every object,
in the universe, big
big.
and small.
Okay, so the matter has mass and volume. It means that you can weigh like this using the stand scale, for example, here, and it can be measured using the volume. For example, if you are, can we know the mass of an elephant? Yes or no? Can we weigh an elephant?
No,
You cannot weigh with a very huge scale,
yes,
a very big scale, yes. And
yes,
can we weigh, for maybe a dog? What do you think?
yes,
Of course. Can we weigh a mouse?
yes,
Of course.
Yes.
And can we weigh, for example, if you are happy?
no, no,
No. We cannot put the happiness inside a scale, on a scale, of course not. So it means that we can measure, for example, all the objects are living organisms and objects. Okay? A
Okay.
plant is a living organism? Yes or no? A plant is a living organism?
Yes.
Of course. And a teddy bear?
No.
A teddy bear.
No. No, teddy
And
bear
the
no.
water?
No.
No. So that's it. So remember, all the living organisms and the objects can be measured. They have got mass and volume. Okay, we are going to know what is mass. Aurora, can you read mass?
Yes. Mass
Okay, wait a
tell
minute, Aurora. Some of you are moving your speaker, I think.
your
Be careful. No, some of you, I don't know. Any of you. Okay, now. Aurora, mass
mass tell use the amount of water
of
in
matter.
a matter in a object.
Yes.
We can measure
Measure
mass
using
using a scale. A
scale,
scale usually measure mass in kilograms or grams.
kilograms or grams. Okay, wait a minute. Some of you, I don't know which one. I will tell you. I don't know which one is it, but it doesn't matter. Okay. So the mass tell us the amount of matter in an object. We can measure mass using scales. Is this a scale? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Can you
Yes.
see that, for example, here the sugar has got the same mass as this object? Yes or no? 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram. Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. So we can measure the mass using a scale. And we always measure mass in kilograms or grams. What do you think is bigger? Kilograms or grams?
Kilograms.
Kilograms. Perfect. Okay, and volume will be said by Carlos. Come on, volume
Volume tells use the
as
amount of space an object occupies.
occupies. Okay. Okay, we can measure volume,
We measure
measuring that and cups. Okay, one thing. The volume tell us how much space an object occupies. For example, which one has got more volume, an elephant or a pencil? More volume. An elephant or a pencil?
An
Hello?
elephant.
An elephant, of course. What do you think now? A car or a bus?
A bus.
Above.
And which one has got more mass? An elephant or a tiger? More mass.
elephant.
An elephant
An
again.
elephant.
And a tiger or Aurora Maria?
A tiger.
A tiger, of course. Okay, well done. So now you know what is mass, that we use the measuring, the scales to measure mass, and volume is how much space an object occupies. Do you know who discovered the volume? Then, do you know the person who discovered volume? Okay, so if you go to, I will show you Archimedes. Um, okay, you can see here Archimedes tell us the volume. You can see the story. This is Archimedes. I will send you the the link, okay, at the end of the class, and you can see the video, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. So we are going to do the activity, okay? Have you got any question or for mass
No.
volume? No? Okay. Activity number 2. We have to number the object in order of volume. Remember, volume is how much space an object occupies. So what do you think? Which one has got the smallest volume? This one, or the bottle?
The
The
bottle.
water.
Of course. Maybe inside we can put 1 liter, maybe. Okay, the second one. Do you think is this one? The second one?
No.
No. Do you think is this one?
Yes.
Of course. So this is number 2. And the last one, number 3. So this one has got less volume, middle one, and then the last one with the biggest volume is this one. Perfect. Can we continue?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, let me. Perfect. So page 85. We have to write here. So, Aurora,
Yes.
do you know the name of this fruit?
Yes. A
What is it?
cherry.
This is a cherry. Perfect. And this one, Raúl?
A pear.
Perfect. Mateo, what is this?
Melon.
A melon. Iria, what is this?
Orange.
No, this one is an orange. But this one is a tangerine. In Spanish?
Mandarin.
Yes, yes.
Mandarina.
Come on. Yes, perfect. So tangerine and apple. And this one is for Carlos. What is this? This is an?
Apple.
Yes. And where are they? They are on scales. Can you see the scales?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see the arrow, the red one?
Yes.
One of them, for example, is higher, the other one is lower, and we had to write or number 1, 2, or 3 here. So, for example, what do you think in number 1? Which one has got more mass? The cherry or the pear? What do you think?
The pear. The pear.
Pear. And in and more volume, the cherry or the pear?
The pear.
The pear again, both. The pear has got more mass and more volume. Number 2, yes. The melon or the tangerine. Which one has got more mass?
Mm-hmm.
The melon.
The
Melon.
melon.
And more volume?
The
Which one is bigger?
The melon.
So the melon has got more volume. Okay. More volume and more mass. Look at the arrow of the scale. And that's number 3. We have an apple and an orange. Which one has got more mass? Look at the scale.
Anymore.
Or the same?
same.
Someone
The
said
same.
Same.
it is the same. And more volume? Or it is the same? Look,
The same.
I think it is the same.
Yes.
Yes. It's the same.
More or less the same.
But we have to put
Okay,
bigger.
wait. We are talking. Now we are going with the activity, okay?
Ah,
So, in a scale, or 1, or 2, or 3, A has the same mass as B. Which one is it? 1, 2, or 3?
three.
3, perfect. Look at the scale. If it is in the middle, the same
In a scale,
height. What?
it must done.
So it is number 3. The second one, in a scale, or 1, or 2, A, or the cherry, or the melon has bigger mass than B. What do you think? It is 1 or 2?
Two.
2, because the melon has got more mass, bigger mass than B. So 2. And the last
The
one,
last one.
It's
and
one.
in a,
One.
perfect, Lydia, thank you. In a scale 1, A, the cherry, has got smaller mass than the pear, than B.
Okay.
Perfect. Do you understand?
Yes.
Perfect.
It's
So let's continue.
okay.
So number 4. Now what we have to do is color the object. we have to color green the object that has got more mass, bigger mass, and in blue, bigger volume. Okay, remember the mass, we can measure the mass using a scale and the volume using measuring mass, but the volume is how much space an object occupies. Okay, the first one, the bigger mass. Which one has got bigger mass, the rock or the balloon?
The rock.
The rock.
The rock is heavier, so we have to color the rock in green.
Green.
And now we have to color in blue. Which one has got more volume, the rock or a balloon?
Balloon.
A balloon, yes. So we have to color the balloon blue. Do you need a minute to finish coloring?
Yes.
No.
Okay, but some of you, yes, so I will let you 30 seconds to finish coloring.
La última. Achus.
Okay, can we continue?
Yes.
Yes.
So, on the activity number, we continue activity number 5. Please, Jorge, can you read the instructions? Listen,
Yes. Listen and write
the volumes.
the volume of the symbols.
Okay, the first thing we have to do, it is, you have to listen, okay? And
Okay.
write the volumes. We are going to listen. If you cannot listen, don't worry. I will repeat it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So please don't speak because some of you can listen. So, 3, 2, 1, please silence. It's only 30 seconds, 35. There we go.
Listen and write the volumes. Add the symbols. When it's full, the green bottle holds 1 litre of water. When it's full, the yellow bottle holds 1 litre of water. When it's full, the red bottle holds 3 litres of water. When it's full, the blue bottle holds 2 litres of
Okay,
water.
there we go. Could you listen or not?
No.
Okay, that's okay. So they say that the green bottle is this green.
No.
And this one,
No.
No.
and this one,
No.
and this one, and this one,
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
this one, yes. So the green bottle, when it's full, you can put inside 1 liter. So what do we have to write here?
1 liter.
Teacher.
Like this, like this.
No.
No, no.
Letter.
Like this.
No.
With letter.
No, it doesn't matter. Like this.
Yes.
Perfect. Well done. Thank you. Okay. And the second one, they say that the yellow bottle is this one.
No.
This one is
Red.
Red.
red. And this one is,
Blue.
and this one,
Yellow.
the yellow holds
Yeah.
1 liter again. So 1 liter.
Yes.
Now the red bottle. The red bottle is over here. Is bigger or smaller than the blue one?
Bigger
Bigger.
So it has got 3 liters.
Three.
And the blue one, Aurora, do you know?
Yes,
How many?
2 liters.
2 liters. Perfect. So now we have to write or this symbol if it is the same, this one if it is bigger, or this one if it is smaller. Okay? Now, can you see these 2 bottles, the red one and the red one? Can you see them?
Yes.
Do you
Yes.
think they have the same like this?
No.
No. Do you think that we have to write this symbol that the red one, the green one
Yes.
is bigger than the green and the
Yes.
red? Sorry.
No.
This one, do we have to write Aurora this one that the green is bigger than red,
I know.
or the other one that the red is bigger than green?
Yes, the red is bigger.
It means
Green.
that this symbol means that this part, the one that it is here, is bigger than the other one. Okay, we continue. Now we have to look at the red one again and the blue one. Do you think they have the same volume? The red and
No.
the blue? No. Do you think that the red one has bigger volume than the blue one?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Remember this part,
Efectivamente.
the one that it is open, bigger. The one that it is closed, smaller. And the last one, we had blue and
Yellow.
Yellow.
2 liters, 1 liter.
1 liter.
Lydia, for you, do you think that they have the same volume, 2 liters and 1 liter? No. Do you think that the blue one is bigger than the yellow one?
No.
Lydia?
Yes.
Lydia?
Yes.
Yes, of course. It means that the blue one has got bigger volume than the yellow one. Perfect. So I think